I come from Haryana's Rohtak district. There is a village by the name of Bharan, from where I started my journey. Initially, it was a forest area. My grandfather, by the name of Dada Jatsi, he was roaming in this area. He saw that on the bank of a pond, there was a tiger and a cow. They were lying side by side. At that moment, he thought that this is the place, this is the kheda that we call in our local language, where fear doesn't come. And he decided that we will inhabit in this area and gave the name Bharan, where bhai doesn't come. Bhai means fear. So I took an inspiration from the name of my village itself. So I decided to dream without any fear. I am Dr. Rajesh Kumar Mohan, and I have secured All India Rank 102 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2020. डॉक्टर बनने के लिए इंस्पिरेशन मेरे गांव से ही आई, बिकॉज इन माई ओन विलेज द कंडीशन ऑफ मेडिकल सर्विसेज इज़ वेरी पुअर. देर इज़ नो प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर इन माई विलेज. सब सेंटर है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इन वेरी डिलेपिडेटेड कंडीशन. Because of that, people are not able to access proper medical care, resulting in people diverting to those informal means of taking medical care. Usme there are certain malpractices involved also. This inspired me and motivated me to dream about becoming a doctor. And fortunately, I was able to achieve that dream, and I became the first MBBS doctor of my village.
गांव का तो हमारे ऊपर हमेशा आशीर्वाद रहा है. हमारी ये 14वीं 15वीं पीढ़ी है इस गांव में. ये मेरा जो है ना पुश्तैनी मकान है, और यहीं पैदा हुआ. मैं भी यहीं पैदा हुआ, ये भी यहीं पैदा हुआ, और इनकी प्राथमिक शिक्षा भी यहीं से हुई. प्राथमिक शिक्षा के बाद चंडीगढ़ चले गई है राजेश, क्योंकि मैं वहीं सर्विस करता था चंडीगढ़ सेक्रेटेरिएट में. इन बच्चों की परवरिश का श्रेय मैं तो अपनी धर्मपत्नी को देता हूँ. इसी ने सारा सिस्टम संभाला है. घर का सिस्टम तो गृह लक्ष्मी संभालती है.
राजेश जी शुरू से ही पढ़ाई में बहुत होशियार था. ये अपनी क्लास में टॉपर आता था शुरू से ही, चंडीगढ़ में भी गांव में भी. फिर इसने ये मेडिकल शुरू कर दी. मेडिकल में भी इसका चंडीगढ़ में 10वां रैंक था. फिर ये मेडिकल करने के बाद ये बीच बीच में बोलने लगा कि मैं आईएएस की तैयारी करूंगा. हमने इसके आईएएस की तैयारी पर ध्यान दिया जी.
So I decided during my MBBS only that I will pursue a career in civil services. It was during the pediatric case presentation. I had to present a case of malnutrition, and I had to demonstrate rickety rosary. So that is a situation when the costochondral junctions get inflamed, and just like a rosary kind of picture develops around the child's neck. So that I had to demonstrate, and that child started crying. So that was a turning moment. I decided that these kind of conditions, which are about access to basic necessities, rather than treating with higher end medication, even though that has a role also, but the simpler and easier way would be to prevent them. How can we prevent them is by providing basic necessities of food, basic necessity of policing, and all these basic necessities that the government and the welfare state aspires to provide to its citizens. So उस वक्त I decided that I will pursue and work towards a process that will enable me to become a part of the government, and that process was civil services examination, and started preparing for civil services there onwards. UPSC की जो एग्जामिनेशन होती है उसमें द इशू इज दैट देर इज वन ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट. आई डिसाइडेड टू टेक मेडिकल साइंस एज एन ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट. मेडिकल साइंस में देर इज नो प्रॉपर गाइडेंस in the market as such. Plus at the same time, in my family only, there was nobody to guide me how to go with this exam. So उसमें medical science में I was facing certain issues. So I decided to take Prep Ladder's PG Dreamer plan so that I can get the latest developments of medical science. That way Prep Ladder helped. I was good academically. I was able to top in 10th class in Tri-City. Then in plus 2 I got 10th rank and got admission in Government Medical College. So I had confidence that I would be able to crack this exam in one attempt only. But first attempt I was able to clear the prelims. So that way it increased my morale again. So I put more effort, but in the end happened that I was not able to clear the mains stage. So that was first failure. So I thought maybe this is the first failure, so not an issue. So I again tried next time. Next time again what happened, I was able to clear the prelims, but again mains I was stuck there. Then I thought maybe this is the second time, so let's try one more time. So in third time again the same story repeated. So that was very difficult time because consistently you were having very good academic background and then you face 3 failures one to one. So to an extent those self-confidence was going down, because if you experience so many failures you have issues with regard to your confidence levels. My confidence level reached a trough at that point of time, but rather than going into very negative self-imagining about myself, I decided maybe I am not able to crack it because I am not giving that much input into the preparation stage. Because I was doing a job simultaneously through combined medical services.
मैंने इसको कहा था, अब 2 घोड़ों की सवारी पे जंग नहीं लड़ी जाती, जंग जीतनी है तो एक घोड़े की सवारी करनी पड़ेगी। आप इस एक घोड़े को जो सर्विस कर रहे हो इसको छोड़ दो। मैं ये कहता था, हम तो किसान के बेटे हैं, हमने तो हार के जीतना सीखा है। अगर हमारी फसल एक बार मर जाती है या कोई आपदा में नष्ट हो जाती है तो हम उसको बार बार खेत को जोतते हैं, और इसको बड़ा हौसला मिला था उस बात से, एक भी ये रहेगा तो कोई बात नहीं।
So in 2018 I resigned from the job. उसके बाद it was like a moment because I was having a secure permanent job, और उसको छोड़ के going into a risky adventure. उसके बारे में there is no idea कि whether you will get selected or not. So that was a difficult task. And in 2020 I was able to sail through all the stages, pre, mains, interview, and now I got 102 rank in the dream PDF that UPSC comes out in the end of the exam cycle.
भारत माता की
तो इसने मेहनत में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी जी कभी भी। शुरू से ही मेहनत है, आज रिजल्ट आया अगले दिन फिर लग जाता, दूनी तैयारी से लगता ही, डबल तैयारी करता। इस पर हमने जी बहुत भरोसा था कि ये कुछ करेगा, और इसने करके दिखाया।
इसकी ये अचीवमेंट है, इसकी उपलब्धि है, इस पे हमें नहीं, एक पारिवारिक नहीं, ये जो है ना इस एरिया में, और वो लोग कहते हैं हमारी चौड़ी छाती होगी।
So my message would be there for younger generation, that you dream big, dream without any fear, and follow that dream. Don't leave it if you are not able to achieve it in, say, a prescribed time. So you consistently strive for excellence, work towards it, learn from failures rather than getting bogged down because of the failures. This would be my advice to all those youngsters who have so much energy. If they are able to direct this energy in the right direction, then they can improve their life also, their family's life also. They can contribute in a better way to the society and to the country on a larger scale. So I would advise them to dream fearlessly, and the bigger your dream, the bigger would the country's dream.